In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Elementor version in WordPress. Knowing which version of Elementor you're using is really important, especially when you're troubleshooting issues, following a tutorial, or checking if a new feature is available on your site. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple and reliable way to see your exact Elementor version right from your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress admin area the way you normally do. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This vertical menu has options like posts, pages, appearance, and so on. What you want to find here is the plugins section. Move your mouse over the word plugins in that left panel. When you hover over it, a small submenu will appear just to the side. From that submenu, click on Installed Plugins. This will take you to a page that lists every plugin currently installed on your WordPress site, whether they are active or inactive. When the installed plugins page loads, you'll see a list of plugins, usually organized in rows. Each row is one plugin, with its name at the top and a short description underneath. Scroll down this list until you find Elementor. Depending on how many plugins you have, you might need to go through a couple of pages, or you can use your browser's search function by pressing Ctrl F or Command F and typing Elementor to jump right to it. Once you've found Elementor in the list, look within that same row, specifically in the description area under the plugin name. In that section, you should see a hyperlink labeled View Details. Go ahead and click on View Details. After you click, a pop-up window will appear over the page. Give it a moment to load fully. This pop-up contains information about the plugin, including its description, changelog, and other details. At the top of this pop-up, make sure you're on the Description tab. This is usually the default tab, but it's worth double checking. Now, look over to the right-hand side of this pop-up window. In that panel, you'll see key information about Elementor, including the version number. This version number is the exact Elementor version you currently have installed on your site. That's all you need to do. Whenever you need to confirm your Elementor version in the future, just follow these same steps.